In the next 5 minutes or so, you're going to know the best parts of making a woman go crazy for you. Have you guys ever wondered why a very arrogant and tough guy is the one who is leading women in your group? He always decides places and wants you guys to follow him. Did you even think of what makes him so popular among girls with whom you want to be? Just for once, stop yelling at these men and start thinking positively about them. You are going to find a few qualities that are undeniably attractive, that you cannot say no to. Want to find out what they are? These are the qualities in men for which women go crazy. So, let's get started. Number 1, the way he leads. When we speak about these so-called arrogant and tough guys, you can always notice how confident they are in any situation. That is the major difference that separates these guys from the rest. They always lead people around them to possibly anything they want to. Here is an example. There are both women and men in your group and are thinking of a place or a restaurant that you all want to hang out, to have a great time. Most of the women don't want to think or struggle to make decisions. They want to go to places that they are led to by other people. That's how they are. They usually are not that decision-making beings and want others to do that for them. When other men in the group are not able to decide on a particular place, here comes the arrogant guy saying, "Let's go to the cafeteria," in a much more confident manner to which all agree. They only give one option for others to choose from, at max 2. It's mostly like a do or die situation for them. Yet he wins. This is how they present power, by making decisions their way and leading the rest. Number 2, making her decisions. As I said previously, women hate making decisions and like others to do that for them, and players exactly know how to do it and when. Here is the continuation of the previous scenario. Once they are sat and start making decisions on what to eat, here comes the tricky part. Even before women decide what to eat, make a suggestion for her by saying, "I am pretty sure that you should have a Ferrero Rocher milkshake, trust me, it tastes amazing." And most of the times women fall for that, and say, "Okay, then I'll have it." Even if she doesn't, she finds you to be more attractive and confident. This can start a new conversation between both of you, while others are seriously thinking of what to order. Women are so drawn to this technique in men that make them feel like they are a real man that they can hang around with. Number 3, make her work for him. This technique is extremely good working and will give you good results. Let's continue the previous scenario where you people sat down and ordered some food. Ask her to pass you some sugar or straw. This way you are making her do little things for you, and making her feel that you are a commanding man and a cool guy. Whereas other guys think like, if I ask her to hand me some sugar, what does she even think about me? Women don't like people who rely on what others think about them. On the other hand, confident men lead, make them work for them, and impress them. Women need that chase, they want to work for their man. Women don't want a strong man to be gained in an easy way. So, make them work for you. In a way, making them work brings up in their mind thinking of you being a superior man and in power. Women want powerful men, and if a person has good skills of control over himself, it's a very good sign, and women are going to love him. This is how players deal with women. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.